Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to automatically resize images in WordPress so your website looks professional and loads faster. This guide works perfectly for 2025, and by the end, you'll have fully optimized image uploads without any extra plugins. First, open your web browser and go to WordPress. Once there, locate the login button in the top right corner and click it. You can log in using your Google account for a faster, hassle-free sign-in. Just select your Google account and you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard in no time. Once logged in, head over to your website settings. Here, the key area is Media Settings, which controls how WordPress handles all your images. Click on Media and you'll see options for image sizes. This section allows you to customize the dimensions for thumbnails, medium, and large images. Setting these sizes ensures every image you upload automatically conforms to your preferred dimensions. This keeps your site visually consistent and saves you from manually resizing each image. After choosing the right sizes, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes. This applies your new settings to every future upload. From now on, your images will automatically resize, improving your website's speed, layout, and overall aesthetic. And that's it. With these simple steps, WordPress will handle image resizing for you, keeping your website fast, organized, and visually appealing. Take a moment to enjoy the difference. Optimized images mean happier visitors and a more professional site. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tips that make your website shine in 2025.